How's it going, everyone? Welcome to another adventures of fishing adventure. Sorry, I'm a little out of breath. So today, I'm trying to get good lighting here. On today's episode, I'm in Salem, Virginia. Well, actually, I'm in between Elliston, Glenver area. I'm at the Wayside Park. It's a canoe launch. I've been here before, I believe, a long time ago. I kayaked this all the way to Green Hill Park, and I'm gonna be wading the Roanoke River. I'm gonna try to catch some smallies today, and see what else we can catch. I've never been here fishing, and I tried to go to another place earlier. I went to the Salem Park right there on 419 before you get to Lewisville Hospital, and there was just so many people swimming. I mean, I can probably go on up the creek or down the river and fish towards the Riverside Apartments, maybe, if I waded it. But we're gonna try here since there's nobody here. So we might save that for another video. I got one more place I'm gonna try after this. I'm gonna go to Green Hill Park in Salem and see what happens there. I've never fished there either. So all these new places today are new. I haven't fished any of these places. I'm trying to get new places to fish that are like not far from my house. I think it's like a 30 to 45 minute drive to get here. But also well, this coming up weekend, since y'all are watching this on Wednesday, I'm actually leaving for Dawesville County, Virginia. It's right side of Richmond, and I'm going to the biggest Virginia fishing outdoor, hunting fishing outdoor show in Dawesville on Saturday. So it's a 3.5 hour drive from where I live at. So we're gonna spend most of the day there, and then we might try to hit up Three Lakes area. I saw some videos on it and some Google Maps of it, and I kind of want to go there and see what I can catch if we have enough time, depending on how long we stay at the show. But I'm gonna get y'all on the chest rig, and we're gonna see if we can catch any smallies today. All right, let's see how well this is gonna work today. Oh, like I said, I'm the only one here. The water here is like halfway up my waist. I'm gonna try to stay on the shallow end and throw towards the bank over there. I got top water on right now. I don't know how well it's gonna work. It's a little cooler today. Yes, Monday's video that got posted, it was like 100 degrees. So we're gonna try to do a little bit of walk the dog action if I can get this thing to work. I don't know if anything. I know there's some big smallies in the Roanoke River, so we're gonna try it. I had a ooh, as I smacked the bank over there, I had an external mic that I was going to use, and I forgot to get it out of the truck when I got over here, because I came from over there. So I don't know. I am not really good with walking the dog with this thing. So my casting arm's a little off today. I've been fishing all night yesterday, so we'll see if we can get some smallies to bite. I might work my way up before I go down, so we'll try that. And it's just me fishing today, so I thought I'd go ahead and get out. It's like 6 o'clock in the afternoon. I might, depending on how long I stay here, if it don't get dark on me, I might just only have this place to fish. I mean, Green Hill Park isn't that far from here. It's like a 5 to 10 minute drive. So I'm gonna see what we got. There's a drive shaft. Well, people's been here. So I saw some nice fishing places on the way here. I took Riverside Drive through Salem, because I started at Salem Park and I came down there, walked around for a minute, looked around, and then I came here. But I took Riverside Drive and I saw some people out there fishing, so we might save that for another video. So if y'all want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. That helps me out a lot too. Let me know that everybody likes my videos. I mean, it is a little warm today, so I don't know. We might try a spot over there at that log right there. Looks really nice if I can get it over there. And it's about waist deep right here. So we're just trying different things out. I also don't know how well this place is actually fished out. Sorry, I'm not trying to hit the camera with the damn. I know we might change baits here soon. I might try a rooster tail since it's really shallow here. Might try that out. I mean, we're going for smallies today, but if we can catch a red eye or a sun perch or something to get on camera here. Throw one more time. I'm trying to get it over there without smacking the log. That works. Sure, there's no kayakers coming down. The river, being as hot as it is, the river is very, yeah, we're going to change baits. The river is very busy, especially being in the middle, well, the beginning of August, actually. Close, yeah. I don't even know what today is, to be honest. But there's a black case. We have found a black case, and I don't know what's in it. I'm kind of curious. Let me change the baits, and then I'm gonna put on a rooster tail and see what we can catch today. I'm gonna check and see. I'm curious to see what's in this box. Empty. Alright, so we got a little swimmer, little white looking fluke looking thing. Sorry, there's a loud vehicle comes by me. We're just gonna kind of flip this around a little bit. Get it in some water. See if anything wants it today. Try to flip it around a little bit. Get it in spots where I couldn't get other things. Don't know how deep it gets. There's a few spots I want to hit. That right there's the money hole. Fish just jumped up right there. So I am fishing this weightless. If I have to, I might put a sinker on the end of it, but I don't want to get hung up today too much. It does go out there pretty far. I'm watching these baits and we'll go from there. See you in a minute. Alright, so now I got a rooster tail in here now. A little cheapy rooster tail. It's a red one. This water's kind of clear, so we're gonna try it out and see what we catch today. It'd be nice if we can catch at least one fish. Oh, fish on, fish on. There we go. Our first fish of the day. Don't spike me, little guy. Oh, he came right off. Our first fish of the day. Little red eye. About as big as my hand. Try to get him in the camera. We're gonna let this guy go. Be free, little guy. Alright, so we made it back to the truck, and I'm at Riverside Park. Near there, I'm right on the river right here in Salem. I went to Green Hill Park. There's just way too many people swimming, and it's just busy today. I mean, it's a Sunday when I'm recording this, so but we're gonna try these waters. I'm gonna wait here a little bit. It's like almost, it's a little bit after 7, so I'll stay here until dark, see what I can catch with spinners, and well, we'll see what we can catch. I'm gonna get you on harness. See some ducks already, but anyway. Alright, so we're gonna get out here and see what we can catch. I got a little bitty tackle box on me. I don't have my big tackle box. Just using spinner baits. I know there's trout in these waters. Ooh, this water's a little bit cooler than it was earlier today. Oh. We're gonna hit these little spots like this and see what happens. Walk along the road here. So if you've never been to Salem, I've been down Riverside Road. Riverside Park is like this. It's all nice walking paths along the river. So, yeah, nice places. They stock these with trout. This is trout stock waters, which, according to the Fish and Game Book, anything after July 15th to October 31st, you can catch trout without a trout license. So, I don't have a trout stamp, but we're going to see what we can catch. If I catch a trout, I'm just going to release. I'm not keeping trout today. So, it looks a little bit better here too. I'm trying to stay out of the water as much as I can today. But it looks like that's not going to happen. Try to look for snakes. See if anything wants this rooster tail. We've only caught one fish today. That was about it. This video is probably going to be short. Fishing all these new places like this, I don't know where I'm at. Like, I don't know where the good places are. So if you're from this area and or have fished Salem before, let me know some places to go fishing. I like to know where some places are in Salem. I work in Salem, but I've never fished it. See, as you can see, stock trout lure, no lure restrictions. So we're gonna head down here and see what we can catch. If we don't get eaten by snakes and spiders. Speaking of spiders, I got one on me already. All these snakes and spiders. Alright, well, we got a little bitty stream here. I hope I don't get hung up, but we're gonna see what happens. When I do get my trout license next year, at least we'll have some trout places to go. Alrighty, time to head back to the snake-infested, spider-infested jungle. Keep working our way down. Once I get back to the truck, I'm gonna work my way up. I saw maybe some nice places to fish. Sorry, I'm in a busy intersection right now. But, well, we tried Riverside, the Riverside Walk, if you want to call it that. I think that's what it is, but here in Salem, I've only caught one fish today. I was hoping to have better luck than I did on Monday's video, but I just need to stick to creeks. Rivers and lakes, I don't have no luck unless you have a boat. I can't bank fish from them. I didn't even see any fish today chasing after any lures or anything. This is a very populated area for people walking and fishing, and they stock it with trout during the the beginning months of the year and everything else like that. So I know it's going to be dark, but anyway, we'll try to do better next time. You have days like that when you're fishing. You can't catch them all, or you can't. Sometimes you just can't catch fish at all, depending on what the day is. I went out late in the afternoon, way too late. Probably if I would have came out earlier today, because I didn't start until I didn't get over here till 5. So, but anyway, we'll see y'all on the next one. Hope y'all enjoy. Have a good one.